Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this interesting question? X to the power of 6 is equal to 4 to the power of 6, and we have to find the value of x. So let me solve this solution. The question is x to the power of 6 is equal to 4 to the power of 6. This is the question. Now we have to move this 4 to the power of 6 to the left side. So this will become x to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. Now, to solve this interesting question, we know that a to the power of m to the whole power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So, to apply this condition, we can write this as a x to the power of 3 to the whole power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 3 to the whole power of 2, which is equal to x to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6, and this is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this interesting step. Now we know that to solve this, here we have to apply this identity, which is a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we have to apply this identity here. So this will become x to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3, which is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. Here we obtain two cases. The case number first is x to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0, and here we obtain the second case, which is x to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now first of all we have to solve the case number first. For this we have to use this identity, this cubic identity, which is a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So we have to use this identity to solve this. So to apply this identity, this will become x plus 4 times x square minus 4x plus 4 square, which is equal to 16, and this is equal to 0. Now to solve this, again here there are two cases. The case number first is x plus 4 is equal to 0, and here x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Here we have to move this 4 to the right side. This will become x is equal to minus 4. So this is the first solution and the value of x. Now we have to solve this. To solve this we have to use quadratic formula to solve this step, to solve this case. So here we use the quadratic formula. So therefore here we know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 16. Now we have to write the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we have to put these values, so this will become x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 16 divided by 2 times 1. Now in the next step, x is equal to minus times minus is equal to plus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 64 divided by 2 times 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 times 16 minus 64. So this is equal to minus 48. So here we have to write minus 48 here. 16 minus 64, this is equal to minus 48. Divide by 2. Now in the next step, x is equal to 4 plus minus square root of this 48 is equal to 16 times 3 times minus 1, which is equal to minus 48. Divide by 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus square root of 16 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. X is equal to 4 plus minus, this is equal to, we remove from the square root, so this will become 4 times square root of 3, and we know that square root of minus I is equal square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I, so this will become I. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Divided by 2. X is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times square root of 3I divided by 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So here x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3I. So this is the complex solution and the value of x. Now we have to solve the case number second. So the case number second is we have to solve this case number second. X to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So to solve this, we have to use this cubic identity, which is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So to apply this identity on this, so this will become x minus 4 times x square plus 4x plus 16, which is equal to 0. Now here again we obtain two cases. The first case is x minus 4 is equal to 0, and the second is x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now here we have to move this 4 to the right side, so this will become x is equal to plus 4. So this is the second real solution. Now we have to solve this side, so we have to use here quadratic equation. So that's why here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 16. Now we have to write the quadratic equation, which is x is equal, the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we have to put the values here, so this will become x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 16 divided by 2 times 1. Now here x is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 64 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 48 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of this minus 48 is equal to 16 times 3 times minus 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus, here square root of 16 is equal to 4 and times square root of 3, and here square root of minus 1 is equal to I divided by 2. X is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times square root of 3i divided by 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 and 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So here x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i. So this is the second complex solution of this interesting question. So here these are the two complex solution, and here these are the two real solution. X is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 4, and here the complex solutions are x is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i and x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i. So here x1 is equal to minus 4, x2 is equal to plus 4, x3 is equal to 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i and x4 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i. So these are the possible answer and the value of x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.